Hakajingalang kabalalong mentakasngi ha Shillong Press Club u CEO jong Genesis Max Foundation u Abhijit Oberoi ulapin benaba ansa pelong yang kajingalek kai football tournament. Ka Genesis Max Foundation kalai trelang harengkat ka Assam Bosco University Guwahati na benta ben pelong bat penya yakni kajingalek kai football jong first edition North East Pride Club. Yakni ka football tournament la ai kerteng da ka first edition North East Pride Club kan longkum shibenta ban rakhi ya ka jingdap shis pasnam jong ka jingdon u Don Bosco Hapori India.
We are organizing a five-a-side football tournament which is called the North East Pride Cup, which is being hosted by Assam Don Bosco University in association with Genesis Max Foundation. It's a five-a-side tournament for categories under 14, 16 and 19, and it will be conducted over 20 plus cities across Northeast India. The main reason of conducting this tournament is as we as Assam Don Bosco University and Genesis Max Foundation want to develop the sporting ecosystem in Northeast India. So we are doing a football tournament now. Later we'll be coming up with basketball tournaments, badminton tournaments and multiple tournaments. The reason why we are doing a tournament and not any other event is football players, young football players, like I mentioned, we are doing under 14, 16 and 19. In India don't get ample competitive matches to play in a season. If you talk about European countries, a kid there gets close to 50 to 60 matches in a season, right? Or probably 40 to 60 matches in a season to play with. So they have that kind of match experience. That's what we're trying to give. So it's a knockout tournament so we are starting with the state of Meghalaya from 24th of September from Shillong itself. The match will be conducted at Light Corps, Assam Rifles Light Corps, and there is a small registration fee of 200 rupees per player. So any team, individual or school can participate in it. It's open for all. And after Shillong, we'll be going to Mairang, we'll be going to Nongstoin, Tura and Joy. So these are the five zones we'll be covering in Meghalaya. Now, as I mentioned, we are going to 20 plus cities across Northeast India. So the under 14, 16, 19 winners of all these cities will come in the last week of November at Assam Don Bosco University, stay there, and there will be matches between all the winners of each zone. And the winners from there will get a chance to win prizes worth 3 lakh rupees. That's 1 lakh per category.